Buenos dias, compas. All right, dude. Let's make this short, sweet, and simple today. All right. For starters, we got important data coming out. All right. Actually, for starters, the reason why we're on this chart is because URG, dog. All right. If y'all follow me, man, if y'all did what I did, because it's not financial advice, but you know what I'm saying. I like to get some money. Your boy like to get some money. Um, Man. Oh, that's why it's like that. It's because of all the fog. It's humid right now. That's why you see this iridescent glow and it just look a little different. All right. My bad. I've been looking at that. All right. Anyways, bought down here at like 155. All right. We can break above that trend line right there, my guy. We're gonna start moving. All right. So pretty much this is exactly what I'm looking for. We're looking for, right? We popped up. If we can get one of these ounce retests, it's pretty much it. All right. Ya se acabó. It's too late. Y'all are good luck. You know what I'm saying? I know some of y'all rocking with me, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just do what y'all gotta do when it comes to your move. I say I like something. I I check in with y'all later. Y'all are like, oh yo, yeah, I'm up. So congratulations to y'all, man. I love that about y'all. Some of my folks out there, man. I rock with y'all. And y'all know who y'all are. All right. You just make moves, you know what I'm saying? Where is it at? All right. And the reason why I'm bringing this one up right now is because where's the pre-market price? Oh, we're sitting at 274. Man, what? What? Now, if y'all were rocking with me a long time ago, when was I telling everybody? I was like, man, I'm getting into Marvell, dog. I was talking about Marvell, not at 39. When was it? Last year, dude. Because we're not talking about that. That's 23. That's 24. Here's 25 right here. At 49, dude. At 49. All right, that's 47. Granted, I didn't buy it at 49. I bought it at 69. Jokes, people. Jokes. All right. Look, bought at 69. I saw what was coming. All right. And granted, don't get me wrong, there's price discovery and all that, but I wasn't like, oh my God, it's a $300 stock, or oh my God, I was not saying that. You know why? Because I was saying it's $1,000 stock. All right. Now, do I actually know that for sure? No. All right. Anybody who tells you otherwise, oh, that's why my camera's all hazy right now from the humidity. Open up the door, man. So it looks like I'm in twilight right now. You feel me? That's crazy. That's cool. I like that. So disregard that, y'all. Can you see the moon yet? Yeah, I can't see the moon. Yeah, dude. So, anyways, my bad. ADHD kicking in. I bought right here at 69, rode this wave all the way up. All right. There's a reason why I had these two levels marked out. Once you get past that, y'all look at this. You know what I'm saying? Men lie, women lie. But my numbers and levels don't, baby. They don't. We got above that. Look at that. Y'all got that retest right here. I mean, after that, it just been on go. It's been on go. Everyone's always, oh, I'm trying to get the next. I'm trying to make a bag overnight, dude. Sometimes just park your money. You know what I'm saying? Just park your money. Look at other plays across the market. Do your research. Give yourself some time. Buy yourself some time. That's literally what you're doing. You're buying yourself some time. Find a stock that you're definite, that you feel comfortable investing in, and parking your money somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Do your research. Have the confidence to sit back, relax, think about the long haul. Because if you would have bought down here, like let's just say you put in 5,000, right? At $49 times five, almost times six, you'd be walking away. Like this thing's probably gonna reach $300. Times 6, that's $30,000 that you would have made not doing a thing, okay? Not doing a damn thing at like that was last year. Eh, in a year. You know what I'm saying? But that's just you just leaving your money while you're still working, getting your paycheck, paying your bills and everything. You would have turned back around and been like, I got 30 grand. Now I can grab that, flip it into something else, sit back, relax while I still continue on my journey. This money's gonna accumulate. That's all I'm saying. And look it, let's just put it like this. That 30 grand, you could have went, bought you some URG, my guy. All right. Right now, my shares are showing me love. I would show y'all, but no. We ain't gonna do that, right? So that's out of the way, okay? I'm talking about URG. I'm talking about SMR. All right. These are companies that I heavily invested in. I've been talking about them, so I'm not gonna go too deep into them. Uranium, where's uranium at? Uranium's still looking good, dude. Uranium's still looking good. And then where is it? CLSK. CLSK is another banger. All right. These are all ones that I'm talking about that are still early, dude. Look at this thing is climbing out the gutter. We get above 22, it's looking crazy. 23. I mean, we have so much room to the upside. So much room to the upside. So I'm buying shares, you know what I'm saying? Nonetheless, though, we got them. Oh my God, it just looks like a chaos. Like I want to get rid of all this. I really do. But this is all my homework. I'm not getting rid of all my hard work and homework and marking all these levels on the way down. Because when it comes down, my guy, I want to know what roadblocks we have ahead of us. Okay. Market's still pushing, dude. The market is clearly still pushing. Nonetheless, though, okay, data that we got job reports Friday. That's very, very important. Let's get that out of the way. So we got job reports Friday. Of course, jobless claims Thursday, and then service ISM services PMI. Or we got PMI, and then employment on Wednesday. All right. So depending, I got everything right here. Right, I got to write everything down. If not, everything's gonna slip my mind. Depending on how that comes out, if it comes in softer, then we can see a push. We can see a push. You know what I'm saying? But you know, we'll see. We'll see. We got earnings this week. I think we got AVGO. Who else? Who else? Who else has earnings this week? I know I got to. I got to hear some. You see what I'm saying? If I don't write this stuff down, bro. Dang, dude, this thing is getting foggy. I'll clean that right now. See, that looks so much better, dude. My bad, y'all. My bad. I just didn't want to touch my lens. Yeah, dude. So there's not really much else. All right. Um, let's look at oil too. Actually, if anything, let's just get this out of the way. Where we at? Oh, dude. All right. You know what? There's actually a couple things that I actually do want to look at. Let's look at. Dude, what am I? Where's the VIX? Okay, dude. Scary. Scary. The scary hours, baby. All right, dude. Okay, VIX rise, dude. This is not making any sense. VIX is pushing up. Like a little pop like that doesn't seem like a lot, but we should have seen something inside the market. You feel me? Like this should have done a lot to the market. It did absolutely nothing. Market's still pushing. You know what I'm saying? But you know it is what it is. I'm not here to complain, man. Where is okay? And my ADHD's kicking in like crazy this morning. Oil coming back down. I love that. That's the kind of rejection that you want right there, dude. Rejected that fair value gap, rejected the 50 SMA. And if we lose this level right here, oil's gonna drop like a rock. All right. I really do believe on what Trump said. Trump said oil is gonna drop like a rock. And I do believe that because the numbers are showing that. You feel me? So I think he's gonna make a deal soon. Soon. I think he's gonna make it a deal. This morning is not my morning, dude. I think he's gonna make a deal soon. And all the talks in regards to uranium, that's why I feel like that's why we're seeing uranium begin to push. All right. So like if y'all been following my last couple of videos, y'all know why I'm heavy in uranium plays right now. All right. So uranium, oil's dropping. He's still in cahoots. I mean, it's rejecting. I mean, it's showing everything that we need to see, right? So let's see what we got here. Uncertainty persists. I couldn't agree more. Oil falls as traders weigh mixed messages over U.S. Iran talks. Yeah, man. I mean, just stay up to date, man. Stay up to date. Stay in the Discord. I drop a lot of news inside there. All right, so y'all do what y'all gotta do, man. But I know what I'm doing, so I mean, I can't stop looking at my plays, man. Like the consolidation is crazy. The consolidation is crazy right now. All right, just to give y'all some perspective, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. All right, man. So y'all got the data. Y'all got the belief in all the plays and everything. I mean, like I said, I was gonna make this one quick and short, man. So y'all have a good day. Hit me up on Discord if y'all got any questions or anything like that. Yeah, dude, look at that. Following tightly on the trend, finding support where it needs to. You can't fight it. You know what I'm saying? You can't fight it. So, yeah, hit me up if y'all need anything. Other than that, I gotta go to work. So, peace.